Yeah.
OnePlus Nord. You're skipping to OnePlus Nord? You're going back to the OnePlus Nord. OnePlus Nord 2 officially announced with a MediaTek processor. Interesting. This will be the first MediaTek-powered OnePlus phone. It's like completing the whole sequence of events, becoming the... Oh, you like the preview image?
Yeah, what is this
Well,
teaser? Yeah, I can't blame them. It's so hard. It's so hard to differentiate.
Well, I don't even know. Did they share this teaser image, or did this website, did Mashable just grab like a mysterious smartphone? Oh, this is a very faint.
It's official.
Oh my God. Okay, you're right. That's pretty wild. It's
can you describe it?
It's the most nondescript image ever. It is just the highlight of the outside of a phone, and it looks like every other phone, which is kind of the state of the phone business at this point. Either way, we knew that the Nord brand from OnePlus was all about budget-minded stuff. We knew that it was all about making this stuff more accessible than the flagship territory that the main OnePlus brand is now a part of. But this is the full-scale move towards budget-mindedness, which is the move away from Qualcomm, which costs a few bucks, and towards MediaTek, which you often see just lower ticket prices with that chip inside, or a chip from MediaTek. So I'm not all that surprised. But once you get into the budget landscape, then it gets really aggressive. Like, people are doing tons of spec comparisons. Let's see. Just scroll up a little bit more there. What that doesn't tell us very much. OnePlus also announced the Nord 2 would be the company's first phone to feature a MediaTek processor, more precisely the MediaTek Dimensity 1200 AI. Here's the quote. "We've worked with MediaTek to build an exclusive AI-enhanced experience that takes photography, display tech, and gaming to a new dimension." You see how that's Dimensity. MediaTek Dimensity, new dimension. Nord 2 5G, the flagship killer. Come on, we can't be... I don't even know about those terminologies anymore.
Yeah.
Flagship killer. It was like it was a terminology
It's
that
very
was
striking at the beginning.
It was fitting at a time.
Yes.
At a time. But then now it's so many smartphones that it's
Every phone's a flagship
I think
killer.
people transition to value for money, or like value king or something like this, which kind of feels better to me at this point. But anyway, I suppose that's some noteworthy news there.
Yeah.